hello boys, it's Harley Quinn here, the baddest badass girl on the planet. Well, the other day I thought I fancy having a go at drifting, so I borrowed some drift wheels and tyres and stuck them on my lovely VW Beetle Rally and decided to give it a go on a bit of carpet. So let's rip this rug up with, I think we'll have a bit of practice first and then might get into a bit of a figure of eight action, see how we go. Wee, 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 oh yeah, that was loads of fun that. Oh, mind that badger. Well, that was fun. Shall we try getting my rear end out on a figure of eight now, boys, eh? What do you reckon? Woohoo! Oof, that's gonna leave a bruise. Well, I don't know what's going on, boys, but I'm struggling to get the ass out on this car. Oops, I think I've just knocked over one of those big erection things. Let's see if it's any better in the opposite direction. Rum-ti-tum, ti-rum-ti-tum, rum-ti-tum, ti-rum-ti-tum, rum-ti-tum, ti-rum. Woohoo, this is a bit better. I've even got a bit of opposite lock on there, look. Whee! La la la, lee lee, la la la, la la la, lee lee, la 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 la. Whoops, overcooked it there a bit, I think. Oh, there goes another erection. Never mind, eh? Well, there we go, folks. I think it was a bit more of a success in the second direction, but I think I'm going to have to do some more work on my little beauty before I try this drifting again. Maybe a more powerful motor than the torque-tuned one that's in there. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed watching and hope to see you on the next one. Cheers, bye!